Senator Jinggoy Estrada, napamura at napatawa na lang ng malaman ang pambubuli ng China sa ating mga kababayan sa West Philippine Sea na sakop ng Exclusive Economic Zone ng Pilipinas.
Araw-araw binubuli tayo, kung ano-ano narinig natin, kawawa rin lang yung ating mga sundalo. Pati yung sinasabi nilang pag merong mag-trespass doon sa tubig, sa territory natin, i-detain nila. Utang ina. Sorry.
Philippine Sea involving China Coast Guard.
For me, that is totally unacceptable. At what we have to do again and again is to file diplomatic protests. Kasi pag hindi tayo mag-file ng diplomatic protest, baka sabihin nila pinababayaan natin yung ating mga kababayan. Well, for me, I've already stated during my press release that is an affront to humanity, a callous act that must be met with the utmost condemnation, not only by our government, but the international community as well. And as I call upon our government to continue asserting our sovereignty and safeguard the welfare of our soldiers stationed at the Ayungin Shoal, I urge our international allies to stand with the Philippines in condemning in the strongest terms the recent actions of the China Coast Guard in the West Philippine Sea.
So sa tingin niyo ba, lumalala yung mga ginagawa nilang pangaharas diyan sa West Philippines?
Sobra ng palala itong ginagawang pambubuli sa atin itong Chinese Coast Guard, and that is a reason to be alarmed.
Ay, yung pagpa-file ba ng diplomatic protest, sir? May magagawa pa ba yan? Parang ang dami na nating na-file na diplomatic protest.
Well, I think we have already filed ilan na ba? Mga 300 to 600 diplomatic protests. And pakiramdam ko, walang nangyayari. But still, that is our only option to file a diplomatic protest. Well, hindi naman natin pwedeng girahin yung mga yun, di ba?
Pero yung dialogue or mga diplomatic,
we had a lot of dialogues already. Actually, pinatawag pa nga ng Malacanang or DFA yung Chinese ambassador, but still they keep on bullying us every day. May nababasa lang tayo sa pahayagan, sa narinig natin sa radyo na nagwo-water cannon na naman, ganun-ganun. Kung ano-ano mga ginagawa nito, mga pagbubuli nito, mga inchik na ito.
Sir, doon pa rin yata sa Singapore, doon sa ano ba yun? Shangri-La
International Institute for Strategic Studies.
Yung defense minister ng China, inacknowledge nila yung importance ng newly renewed military-to-military communications with US as tensions escalates dito daw sa Asia Pacific. Pero inakusahan din nila ang Washington of causing the friction with its support dito daw sa Taiwan at sa Pilipinas. Do you think so, sir?
No, I don't think so. I totally disagree with this statement made by this Chinese official or Chinese general. Dahil yung siguro yung sinasabi nila yung mga balikatan exercises na nangyayari dito sa atin, no? We are not preparing for war. Okay? Actually, I was there present nung doon sa Campo Aguinaldo, nung pinakita nung mga Amerikano kung paano nila protektahan yung ating territory, no? I was there together with the president. Talagang napaka-sophisticated ng kanilang mga equipments. Nakakaingit nga dahil yung kung i-compare natin yung mga gamit natin as compared to the equipments and ships of Chinese tsaka America, talaga malayong-malayo tayo.
Any related question about West Philippine Sea? Marlon?
Sir, the speech of the President during the Shangri-La dialogue, even his answers during the Q&A were praised by several defense analysts and even our Justice Arpio. Sabi niya maganda yung paliwanag ng Presidente regarding our defense, the WPS, and our territorial waters. Do you think after the Shangri-La dialogue, mas magiging intense yung gagawing hostile activities ng China sa...
That has to be seen, no? Alam mo, yung speech ni Presidente, I was there, I was present, I was listening to his almost an hour speech, and he covered everything. Even the 3 questions that were propounded to him, he answered it very well. No? He was not combative. Kasi meron isang Chinese official, a Chinese general, na nagtanong, siyempre medyo palaban yung tanong. The President answered it calmly. No? Hindi siya combative. At dun sa isa nagtanong, I forgot who asked that question. Direct question to the President. Kung sakasakaling may namatay na Pilipino, gawa ng water cannon, is it an act of war? Maganda yung sinagot ni Presidente. If it is a willful act by the Chinese Coast Guard, then it might be close to war. Pero hindi naman niya sinasabi, gera na tayo. Wala siyang sinasabi gano'n.
Sir, ano pa kaya pwedeng gawin? Kasi ibang mga kasamahan nyo are saying that the Philippine government should consider filing another case against China, possibly before INTLOS or other UN tribunals.
Well, that is also an option. And I am willing to support if there is such move.
Will it further escalate the tension between the 2 countries?
Well, wala naman tayong magagawa. That is only our option left. That might be only our option left, no? To file another case against China.
And do you think, sir, marami na nga yung basis para mag-file ng panibagong kaso against China?
Yes. Marami pa rin mga katulad nga yung binabasa natin araw-araw sa mga pahayagan. Araw-araw binubuli tayo kung ano-ano narinig natin. Kawawa rin lang yung ating mga sundalo. Pati yung sinasabi nilang pag merong mag-trespass doon sa tubig sa territory natin, i-detain nila. Utang ina. Sorry. Hindi naman hindi naman hindi naman yata tama yun, di ba? Cut.
Sir, naniniwala ka ba na kaya ganun ka interesado ang China dun sa ating territorial water dahil maraming pwedeng mapakinabangan?
Oh, syempre. Hindi naman lang ang kininyo kung wala silang mapapakinabangan dun sa pagmamayari ng Pilipinas, di ba?
Pero ang problema ba natin, wala tayong capability para i-explore yung kung anumang wealth meron doon?
Unfortunately, wala. Well, siguro pwede mag-usap, pwede sigurong...
Para sa joint exploration.
Joint exploration, pwedeng siguro 70% sa atin o 80%. Basta pabor sa Pilipinas. Huwag lang naman pabor sa kanila. Dahil talo na nga sila, makikihati pa sila sa atin. Di ba?
Okay, no more question about NIMFA? About West Philippine Sea? Wala.
Sorry paki-edit na lang yung ano.
Sir, dun sa Pogo, isa kayo sa mga actively nag-participate. And then, ang Office of the Ombudsman nag-impose na ng 6 months suspension kay Banban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo at sa ilang pang local officials. Sa tingin nyo, maganda ba itong development para talagang mas magawa yung investigation?
Well, it's a welcome development for us, especially those investigating her case here in the Senate. It's a welcome development for us that she was meted out a 6-month suspension by Ombudsman, no? By the Ombudsman. Para wala na siyang influence, para hindi niya magamit ang kanyang impluensya.
Yun lang ang intention nun, huwag magamit yung influence.
Yes,
It doesn't mean na may nakita ng strong evidence.
Wala pa.
And then, will you attend the executive session tomorrow, sir?
Most probably.
Ano yung ine-expect mo na mga possible information?
Well, I do not have any information yet, but since it is an executive session, they might divulge issues or issues against Mayor Alice Go. Na siguro it might concern national interest.
And possible din na doon makita yung kanyang connection dito
Yes.
sa Pogo operation.
Most probably.
And some criminal activities like money laundering, sir?
Maybe. Kasi medyo malalim tong investigation na gagawin. Kasi yung father, yung tatay hindi na yata malocate, nasa China na yata, pati yung nanay, no, who we all think is a Chinese citizen, di ba?
Sir, are you now willing to divulge the name of mayor na sabi mo nag-handle ng Pogo owned by Mayor?
Alam na ni Marlon kung sino. Basta he's a mayor. Definitely is not a senator.
Pero, sir,
Mayor sa North.
Sir, ba't ayaw nyo pangalanan kung ipapatawag siya ng committee?
Huh?
Meron ka bang
Well,
request na
I
ipatawag?
just received a very reliable information that her partner is a public official. Kasi sabi ko, mayor ng isang maliit na bayan sa Pangasinan. And according to my bubuit, siya yung nagpapatakbo ng POG operations ng owned by allegedly kay Mayor Alice Go doon mismo sa Bamban.
So, sir, ipinapatawag na ba yung mayor na yun?
Hindi pa.
Pero isasuggest nyo
Well,
na patawag?
if I can get pieces of evidence linking that mayor to the POG operations, then patatawag ko.
So, sir, yun incumbent ngayon, yung mayor na yun, na nagpapatakbo ng Pogo ni...
Yes. Yan ha.
Pero nga, sir, ano ba yung... Before, sir, parang hindi kayo pabor sa total ban ng Pogo. Pero ngayon na nakita nyo yung continuous criminal activities sa mga Pogo. Are you now...
Kasi yung stand ko before sa Pogo, sabi ko, dun sa mga accredited na may franchise o accredited ng PAGCOR, okay lang yun. Pero yung mga illegal, yun ang talagang tanggalin. Tsaka dapat, lahat ng mga employees ng mga POGO operations, dapat more than 50% Filipinos. Huwag naman para Chinese lahat. No? Yun ang stand ko.
Kaya lang, sir, ang problema, maging accredited Pogo involves sa criminal activities like
Ayun,
dito sa Banbantal.
that's a different story. Pagka accredited, kapag involved sa mga criminal activities, dapat palayasin na kagad yan. At tanggalan ng mga prangkisa o permits.
So yun lang ang dapat pa, hindi lahat, hindi wag ipagbawal totally.
That is my opinion. Kasi, first of all, pagka more than 50% ang employee mo mga Pilipino, syempre, that generates jobs, di ba? Syempre, dati akong chairman ng labor, syempre, proprotekta natin yung mga Pilipino, no? Kailangan natin bigyan nga ng trabaho. In fact, meron din mga nire-remit ng mga taxes naman yung mga legal na Pogo. Yung mga illegal, yun, siguro hindi nagbabayad ng mga buwis yun. Kaya, for me, kailangan sigurong alisin na yung mga yan.
Paano yun, sir? Meron na ngayon 3 na i-file na proposed bill pushing for the banning of Pogo in the country.
Well,
Will you support that?
we'll have to study it further.
And, ayun, Nympha.
Sir, yung mayor, would you encourage po the DILG or would you call on the DILG para investigahan na din ito? Kasi ngayon naman, sir...
If the DILG asks for his name, then sasabihin ko sa kanila.
Ba't kami, sir,
Investigate.
ayaw na kami sagutin?
Hindi mo kay DILG.
Sir, hindi ba hindi ko makontak ang DILG sa inyo para alamin or...
Hindi, wala. Pero palagay ko, alam na nila yun kung sino yun.
So, kung alam na dapat proactive ang DILG, sir, para hindi na para hindi na makaalis, hindi na makapag-cover up.
Well, it's up to the DILG to have their own investigation. Of course, I will not meddle with their investigation. But if they want to ask the name from me, I will divulge the name. Kasi mahirap i-divulge sa media kasi baka i-deny Baka i-deny ka agad
Pero
Siyempre,
sir,
i-deny yun.
Would you encourage the ALG, sir, maging proactive na, magkusa na, mag-imbestiga na? Kasi nga, kung habang nasa position siya, pwede pang ma-cover up, linis.
I think the DILG is hell-bent in investigating this issue, in this case. So, marami na rin silang ginagawang investigasyon. At hindi palalagpasin ng gobyerno ito dahil this might concern national or security interest. No?
Nakuha nyo rin ba yung, kasi lagi sinasabi na may national security concern. So, ibig sabihin na nakita nyo rin yung information dun sa allegedly hacking and surveillance activities inside that Pogo in Banban?
Well, I haven't received any information yet.
Sir, hindi ba nakakabahala na yun na yung mga local officials na i-involve na pati sa Pogo?
Well, it sounds alarming for me. Well, all I can say is to call on all local officials to refrain from involving themselves in the Pogo operations.
At dahil sinasabi nga na billion of dollars na pesong involved sa Pogo operations, may mga pangamba na baka yung Pogo money magamit na rin sa
Election.
Incoming election.
Yeah,
That's
that is
possible,
a
sir.
possibility. That is always a possibility. No? Yung mga iba nga, drug money ginagamit sa eleksyon. Yung gambling money ginagamit din sa eleksyon. Baka susunod yung Pogo money na gagamitin sa eleksyon. That is also a possibility.
At ganoon din posibleng nangyari kay Mayor Go o kaya nalagay siya sa
Most
position.
probably.
Okay, Myla.
Sir, just a follow-up. Would you know, sir, kung kasama sa ini-investigate na ng DILG yung mayor na partner supposedly ni yung mayor supposedly na partner ni Mayor Go? Would you know kung kasama na siya sa
I do not
in-investigate?
have any information about it.
Sir, kasi if you're still going to wait for DILG to ask for the name, hindi ba too late na? Baka too late na kasi
Hindi naman. Palagay ko, hindi naman mga tanga yung mga tiga-DLG. Palagay ko, alam na rin nila kung sino yung mayor na tinutukoy ko. Baka discreet lang yung kanilang investigation.
pero
We do not know.
As of yung latest information niyo, sir, kumusta yung movement ng mayor? Nandiyan pa rin siya, sir?
Yeah, he's an incumbent
Hindi siya
mayor.
in hiding or trying
I don't think so.
Walang mga gano'n. So, ganun siya ka-confidential? Ganun siya ka-confidential kung sa tingin nyo, alam naman ng DILG?
I don't know.
Parang business as usual,
Baka wala
sir?
yung pangalan niya ron sa nakalista ron sa pagmamanage ng Pogo. Hindi natin alam.
At yung tanong ni
Diba?
Mayor Go, gwapo daw ba? Tanong ba yun ni Go?
Basta siguro, I don't know, Google nyo.
Ano ba pangalan?
Mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo.
Pero, sir,
Alam na ni Marlon.
Sir, just, based on your information, sir, mabigat yung evidence nyo na talagang directly link itong partner.
That is why I did not pursue my line of questioning. Because I still have to receive additional information regarding the link between the mayor, the alleged lover of Mayor Alice Go, and yung connection niya sa Pogo operations ni Mayor.
Without disclosing, sir, yung hawak niyong evidence, pero ano lang to, sir, verbal, documentary, ano yung
Wala. It came from a very reliable source, no, na yun nga, yung kanyang alleged lover ay involved sa Pogo operations.
Pero since nung disclosure niyo, sir, wala pang additional information
Wala pa.
backing that.
Wala pa.
Pero na-share niyo na, sir, sa Committee on Women yung name ng mayor?
Hindi pa.
Dun sa executive session bukas, sir?
Baka.
Okay, Marlon.
Senator, sir, what's the danger of politicians involving themselves sa Pogo operations? Tsaka again, may term na sila, Pogo politics yung nangyayari.
Well, syempre, bawal yun. Once they are found guilty of engaging themselves in any operations of Pogo, I think the Ombudsman or the DILG must take action on it.